welcome back to my channel. Okay, so my name is Danny, yeah, and I make cake decorating tutorials for you guys on YouTube. In case you're looking to learn how to decorate cakes and you don't have the money to pay for those expensive master classes or to learn basically, yes, this channel is for you because I make very beginner friendly videos for you guys, and I make it for you to learn from scratch with very detailed explanations. And in case you're an intermediate, there are things here for you as well. Because on this channel, I show you guys how to do the most complex designs in the easiest ways. Because I started my cake business when I was in medical school, so I had very little time, yet I had a lot of orders for my business size. So I found the easiest way to do the most technical designs. So on this channel, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to do the most technical designs and the best shortcuts to everything. Okay, so in case you're an expert, I have things for you as well. I have awesome, amazing videos and tips and tricks for you to do. Basically, I don't know. So if you want to see how that goes and you want to learn more about cake decorating, or you just want to follow my journey, or you just like to watch pretty girls make cakes, yeah, this channel is for you. So stay tuned and try to watch all of my videos. I have a doodly animated playlist for you guys. I have buttercream tutorials, all sorts basically. So thank you guys and stay tuned. But before then, you have to subscribe to this channel and like all of my videos, and then turn on the post notifications so that when I post something, you'll be the first to get it and to see it and to share it and to like and comment as well. I really appreciate all of your support so far because it's been amazing. Thank you guys and see you in the videos.